Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can simply cancel the Hoop membership on your Hoop application. So you don't need to do not much thing. You can follow the steps that make sure the first thing first, your app should be most updated version to the recent of according to the recent update. So make sure that you are using most updated version. You can check for the update in your Google Play Store or on your App Store, or you can also find at the Hoop official website where they provide the most updated version if they launch any one. Now from here, if you want to cancel your non-activated membership that you doesn't activate it, then non-activated membership can now use a self-service option to cancel their Hoop membership. Review the criteria below. So device shipped. If the device has not shipped and you wish to cancel, you must wait until the device has been delivered. Device in transit. If the device has delivered shipped, cancellation is no longer an option. Members must wait until the device is delivered to initiate a return. Then device delivered. Once the device is delivered, non-activated members have 30 days to cancel their Hoop membership and receive a return level from the order status page. So the account will be automatically activated after 30 days from purchase. If the account auto activated and you would like to cancel your membership, so you can find how you can cancel your active membership, where it is. From here, they have just guided how you can actually cancel your active membership. To cancel your membership by following steps, that visit your membership section in the app.hoop.com. You can simply click on your profile like in the top right corner on your mobile screen or on your PC screen. Then you can find the membership section where you can simply click on it, and you can clearly find a cancel your membership at the bottom of the page. So select the applicable option based on your membership and status. So where you are actually canceling your membership, you have to give a valid reason, and you have to fill up a form with all the formalities for canceling a membership. So here is something that within 30 days of receipt. So if you are within the first 30 days of receiving your Hoop device, or you can return it for a refund. You can cancel your membership by visiting app.hoop.com, then navigate to the membership section, then select the cancel and confirm cancellation and continue with return process. So, and if you are outside of the 30-day return window, then cancel depends on your membership type. Follow this thing. So if your membership type just allow to cancel your membership after 30 days return, so you can just simply visit the app.hoop.com, then select the cancellation option that applies to your membership, then pay up for to schedule your membership to cancel at the end of your commitment period, then pay monthly, and within 12-month commitment, pay off the remaining months in full of schedule cancellation at the end of the commitment. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.